Math 1, final benchmark, number 51. Consider the two data sets. We've got data set X and data set Y. What is the difference in the median values between data set X and data set Y? All right, so we want to find the difference in the medians. So first we have to find the median values. All right, so I'm going to use my calculator to do this kind of quickly. This is not a very big data set, so you could probably do this very quickly without your calculator, but let's just, for the sake of remembering how to do this, let's just go through. First, I'm going to clear out. 2 plus 4 clears all my list. So then when I go to Stat and Edit, there's nothing in here. So I'm going to go to L1 and I'm going to put in 4, 6, 8, 2, 1, 9, 5, 5, 3. All right, so just kind of make sure that you've got everything correct. All right, so I've got 4, 6, 8, 2, 1, 9, 5, 5, 3. Okay, once I do that, I'm not going to worry about this one yet. I'm just going to go ahead and find the median for this. So I'm going to go back to Stat, calculate. This time I'm going to do 1 bar stats. That's going to give me my standard deviation, my mean, my median, my quartile, Q1 and Q3, and different things. So if I scroll down through here, my median for data set X is 5. So I'm just going to put my median here is 5. That's for this one. All right. Let's put it right here so we know. All right, so I'm going to do the same thing for this one. I'm going to go to second plus, I'm going to hit 4 and clear my list again. And then I'm going to go back to Stat, Edit, and I'm just going to put my next set in L1 as well. I can put them in L1 and L2, but then I have to change it to L2. For me, it's just easier to clear it. I've got to do it 2 separate times anyways. 2, 1, 6, 3, 4, and 14. So go back to Stat, go over to Calculate, 1 bar Stat, pulling from L1 again, and I need the median. So this time the median is 4. So for my data set Y, my median is 4. Now, what does the question say? The question says, what is the difference in the median values? All right, so if I go 5 minus 4, the difference is 1. So if I come down through here, I can see that my answer is C. So number 51, the answer is C.